from a grain of sand to quartz glass, and then to high-end manufacturing like semiconductors, wafers, and optical devices. In this process of turning something ordinary into something valuable, the support of quartz heat treatment equipment is indispensable. Today, let me introduce the Quartz hydrogen-infiltrating equipment independently developed by ACME. This equipment is mainly used for the pressure hydrogen infiltration process treatment of quartz materials. It can improve the optical, electrical, mechanical, and high-temperature resistance properties of quartz glass, and is mainly applied in fields such as high-precision optical devices and semiconductors. The features of this equipment are as follows. First, through the simulation of multiple physical fields and combined with the calculation of a lot of empirical data, the heat is distributed as needed, and the uniformity of the equipment's temperature field is significantly improved. Second, through the new insulation structure independently developed by us, the energy consumption of the equipment is effectively reduced. At the same time, this equipment is equipped with 3 levels of safety protection functions and can operate safely and stably under hydrogen power consumption. If you want to know more, welcome to follow us.